Hey YouTube, today we are going to make a routing table out of an old router. Alright, so this is my workbench. We will make the table so it attaches to the workbench. I'll show you how that works in a second. So this here is one of the attachments that I have on the workbench. It slips in here and I can use it for wherever I want. This is the one for the vise. We're going to build something kind of like this, but with the router so we can use it whenever we want to for long pieces and things like that. But this slips out. It's pretty tight, but it slips out. I have to take the pins out and then I can slip in any other attachment to the table. So it works out pretty well. So the first thing we're going to do is remove this plastic piece from the router so we can measure and figure out where we're going to put it. If you notice, it has 4 bolt holes already there. That's what we're going to attach to the piece of plywood for the table. Alright, now we just need to mark. Then we can use a ruler and make our center dot. Alrighty, now we drill our holes. Now we use the router to round off this hole. Beautiful. So I can't find my countersink bit, so I'm going to use my step bit to put the holes in here. Alright, so that should do it. Put all this. Now I can drill holes all the way through so my bolt will fit in. So I used a hole saw to put this pilot holes in, so that way I can put a bolt in here and it would be flush on the board. A couple things I'm going to do is I'm going to router out all the board and then I'm going to sand it down so it's nice and smooth. So when I'm rolling boards on here, it's easy and it doesn't catch on anything. Alright, all done. I fit the table saw inside of my bench like I want it. It's sturdy, it's not going to go anywhere. I can adjust the height, lock it into place, and we'll do a quick test here. Make sure you always go against the blade or it'll want to throw it. So, here we go. You can tell it works. Could have gone a little deeper. Gets the job done. Alright, so that's the finished product. I wanted to show you guys what it looks like from underneath. There it is. This right here helps it go up and down. Has to be unlocked. Goes up and down so you can change the height of the blade. And thanks for watching. Appreciate it.